this video, we are going to look at 3 CPRs up. So which basically means stock is uptrending. Okay. So, but what we have to do is we have to wait for the candle to go above the CPR next day. So tomorrow, first of the month, right? This is a monthly CPR on a daily time frame. So this is the CPR for the month, which basically is saying that it's going to uptrend. Stock is going to uptrend, right? So you want to wait for the CPR candle to open above the CPR, right? Like this, with the upper wick, no lower wick, right? Only then you can start taking the trade. So you have to wait for 1 day for the stock to go up. The first stock is CME, okay? CME group. So if you look at the scan, so we are scanning the stock with the developing CPR up also. So here are the stocks which is coming up: McDonald's, CME, PANW, CNC, right? All the stocks. Now let's look at charts. We looked at CME. Here it's up. It's coming out of green. It's coming green here. So RSI is little down. Okay. Now let's look at MC. Let's look at market cap. So let's look at MCD. MCD CPR is up from here, right? It's inside the CPR. You want to wait for the candle to go above. So this is turning green. This is turning green. Signal is long. Okay. All alternate work. So here the CPR is not up, but everything is also turning green. Turning green. Developing CPR also is turning green. Okay. So it's turning green here. Okay. So MCD, CME, PANW. Okay. So let's look at one more CPRI. This also the CPR is not, but it's turning green. Okay. It's a narrow CPR. It could basically penetrate this and go up. Okay. CPRI, CME, PANW, MCD. These are the stocks you want to play, but you want to wait for the candle to open above the CPR, because February candle has to open above CPR. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you are looking for a CPR scanner, please let us know. We will send you for scanner for free. Thank you.